You become an educator to make a difference. But somewhere along the way, you got stuck in the system, overworked, underpaid, invisible. But what if I told you there's a new path? One where you don't just teach, you transform, where your passion becomes your profession and your purpose fuels your prosperity. This is the holistic success method and it's changing lives. Now it's your turn. Hi, I'm Dr. Neeta Parate, also known as the Modern Montessori and India's first holistic success coach for educators and entrepreneurs. After 2 decades in the education industry, I realized something very breakthrough. The very people who shape the mind of the future, that are teachers, trainers, coaches, professors, YouTubers, are silently suffering. They are drained, disconnected, and feel like it's just another cog in the machine. But it doesn't have to be this way. The world is evolving, and so must we. I created the holistic success method to help educators like you align your body, mind, and spirit to become high impact, high income leaders, not just in schools, but in real life, in real business, and in the society. If you're watching this, you probably feel it too. You have hit a plateau in your career. You're stuck in 9 to 5 grind that doesn't value your true potential. You want to teach, you want to inspire and create, but you are buried under policies, politics, and paperwork. You want to start something of your own, but you don't know where to begin with. And let's face it, everyone keeps telling you you're just a teacher. Coaching isn't for you. That's the lie. That's keeping you small. But I'm here to break that illusion because educators are the greatest hangmakers of the planet. And it's time we rise. The holistic success method, it's just another coaching formula. It's a trains formula system that helps educators, trainers, coaches, consultants, and professors discover their hidden potential, design their own signature offerings, build a persona brand that commands authority, create massive income and impact, and most importantly, live a life of joy, freedom, and purpose. It works on 3 levels: body, energize your physical health, and presence of mind. Mind shift your mindset from employee to entrepreneur. And 3rd level is spirit. Reconnect with your passion and calling. I have trained hundreds of educators across India, help mid-career professionals to become and earn 6-figure income, coaches and turn struggling trainers into demands experts in their field. But I wasn't always this confident. Years ago, I lost everything. My preschool shut down. I had no idea what to do, but I didn't give up. I built a training institute from scratch, took it online, and turned my pain into my purpose. Now, I teach others how to do the same. These aren't celebrities. These are everyday educators like you and me who chose step into their power. I have put everything into my upcoming webinar. It's a masterclass wherein I'll show you how to discover your micro niche as a coach or as a trainer, how to create a highly converting coaching offer, how to start building your personal brand today, how to get your first client even if no one knows you yet, and how to balance income, impact, and inner growth. This is not theory, this is action, and it's working right now for educators across India. Are you ready to stop being just another educator and become high impact, high income leader? Then don't wait. Click the given link below and reserve your seat just now. This is Transformational Masterclass. Join the Awakened Educators movement because this is revolution. Revolution is bigger than me. It's need. You together, let's rebuild education. Let's awaken the real you. Let's rise. I'll see you in my webinar. Thank you.